Hi guys! So I was debating whether I should just continue playing Animal Crossing like I do every other day, but the weather was really nice and I thought I would take advantage of the sunlight to film a video. I also debated on whether I should make this another voiceover makeup tutorial, but after editing the first and second video, that was a lot of work. It took me a while to edit, and I thought if I had more practice with speaking directly to a camera, I'd be less awkward as time goes by, hopefully. I'm just gonna put on some primer first. Excuse this pimple patch here. During my time of the month, I usually break out a lot, so this is already considered not that much. Although I think putting on such heavy makeup today might make it worse, but we will power through. I'm going to wet my sponge. You honestly don't have to use this expensive water. I'm just doing it because I'm too lazy to go all the way over to the bathroom and wet it with just water. I'm just gonna use a little bit because I really don't want to irritate my skin that much. I'm just gonna, whoop. Whoop. I'm just gonna avoid that pimple sticker and just blot around it. I've been really enjoying the new Animal Crossing, New Horizons. I used to play it a lot when I was younger, and to have it now on the Switch, the graphics have really improved. Sometimes I just play Animal Crossing all day and I feel like I'm being super productive by like doing all this and that and like changing the landscape of my island, but like in actual fact I'm not actually doing anything in real life. And I'm gonna go over with concealer. I honestly don't even know if this is my shade anymore, but we'll see. We're just gonna go with it. See, I don't know, like I see a lot of the girls online on social media, they put like a huge triangle. They literally put so much concealer on their face. I'm scared, like I don't know how they do that without it looking cakey. I'm just gonna try that out today just cause like even though I'm putting on makeup, I won't see anybody. Okay, what did they do after this? They use the beauty sponge again, I guess. First of all, I'm just gonna use my finger. I usually am like a fingers girl just because I'm really lazy and I don't like to clean brushes, so I don't usually use brushes that much, and I feel like fingers are easier. Okay, I think I concealed it the best I could. They bake as well, so I think I'm gonna bake while I do like my eyes. This is not baking, is it? I didn't put enough. Literally, lunch is soon. I'm literally gonna go down in like a full face of makeup. It'll be kind of funny. I think they bake like along the cheekbones as well. I don't think I'm doing this right. Okay, whatever. I'm just gonna leave it like that, put that aside, and then start on my eyes. So I'm going to start with a brown shade, and then I think you put it on the crease of your eyes. It's weird because I was born with monolids. As I grew up, these monolids started to form into double eyelids, so yeah, it was weird. Okay, I'm just gonna go with that, and then I'm gonna go into this brown shade. This shade I actually use on a daily basis. I usually just take like an eyebrow brush and like wing it out as if I was applying like a gel liner, but we're gonna try and like put it all over my eyelids today. Did I bake too long? Like, am I supposed to take a brush and just swipe it? I'm just gonna do that. I feel like because this is like my first video without a voiceover and just me talking to a camera, it just feels super awkward and weird because I'm not used to it. I'm gonna take an eyebrow brush and kind of use a black liner and wing it. I've never really done like the actual like wing because I've always been afraid and I'm not really good at doing that. So every time I use eyeliner or like use an eyeshadow as an eyeliner, I kind of just follow my eyes and like end it where it's supposed to kind of end naturally. I think this is fine. I'm gonna try and do my brows. They look so dark, oh my goodness. Okay, whatever. I don't know, I feel like everything will be better once I have like lashes on. I should do contour first. When I'm shading, I literally just go down like that and I ignore my cheekbones. It just looks like mud on my face. That's so sad. Started watching Haikyuu, the 4th season, part 1 yesterday, and I purposely waited until all the episodes were out before I could watch it because I love Haikyuu and I have really little self-control and I always have to binge. I read the manga and I'm just interested and curious to see how like they portrayed it using anime. This highlighter, completely broken. I don't even know what happened to it. Whatever, it's gonna stay this way until I get a new highlighter. And then Cupid's bow. The inner corners of your eyes too. Like I have a brush in my hand, but I always end up going back to my fingers. So this is actually broken. If I clamp too hard, then it'll take some of my lashes with it, which is really dangerous. These are lashes I got in Japan. They're pretty subtle and they're not like caterpillars on your eyes, so I like them. Ooh, I hear the blender going off. I think we might be having smoothies. Excite, excite. Literally gonna have lunch with a full face of makeup on. Kinda weird. I'm not even gonna bother putting on mascara. I'm gonna use this color, and then after that I'm gonna go in with this final shade because it's a little too dark. Yeah, I think this does a nice job of brightening up that color, that red color. Yeah, I'm gonna do my hair. I already put on the protecting spray, so it should be okay. Oh my god, my hair's so tangled. My mom's probably gonna see this video and be like, why are you curling your hair again? Got it perm for a reason. But I want like a different type of curl. I want like a tighter curl, and that is also the reason why I'm using like a smaller hair straightener. And there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this look, and I might see you guys next time if I ever choose to do another makeup tutorial. Peace.